Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the different reasons why people may not be buying your drinks in the sort of quantity and volume that you were hoping for. Or even if you are, these tips will help you to sell more. So let's get into these 5 reasons then. People don't know what it is, or they're scared to try it. I personally wouldn't want to spend £7 or $7 on something if I didn't know if I was going to enjoy it. So why not offer a free samples station, an area that's dedicated with samples on a daily basis of different varieties of drinks, that way the customers that come in can give it a try in a small quantity for free. This is also a great way for customers who already come into your shop to try new flavors and varieties, which keeps them coming back for more. If bubble tea is a new item that you're adding on to your pre-existing menu for other things, why not try doing a free bubble tea with purchase day? This is another great opportunity for your pre-existing customers to get a taste for something that's brand new to your menu. And next, your price point is too high. Do market research and figure out if your size is comparable or cheaper than the big brand competitors that are within a 20 to 30 minute drive of your location. Consider offering the toppings as an add-on, as opposed to automatically coming in the drink. This can keep the prices lower for the customer. If you're struggling to make a profit with the drinks, consider offering a smaller cup size, or a larger one at a higher value if you can afford it. Sometimes going larger or smaller is more beneficial for your target audience. They don't know that you sell it. Are you actually marketing it on social media, or is it just sort of there? You know what I'm talking about. When a customer enters your shop, do they actually know that you're selling this product? Is it only featured on a small laminated sheet that's at the very front of the cash register? Or is it predominantly displayed on a menu board that you are proud to sell bubble tea, and here are the amazing options that you have as a customer? You're offering too many types of foods and drinks. I've been places where the menu is so huge, I've missed the bubble tea section altogether. Decide if you're selling bubble tea as a beverage add-on, or is it a main selling point for your shop? Consider deleting other conflicting low-selling or low price point items. It's too confusing. I've been to so many places where even I look at the bubble tea menu and my mind just shuts down. There are like way too many varieties and sizes and styles and sweetness and ice, and it's just too much. Try to keep it as simple and concise and as easy as possible for anybody to understand. It's best to categorize. Milk teas, milks. Fruit teas, coolers. Slushies, smoothies. Pick a few and make it easy to understand for everybody. Number 6, yes, number 6. If you've made it this far in the video, I'm going to give you a bonus reason. And last but not least, the 6th reason why they may not be buying from you is, it sucks. Have you actually tried enough bubble teas to know if yours is any good? Build a VIP community of your top customers to do private tasting sessions of your current and future drinks. That way they can give secret feedback. Which ones are the best? Are they any good? What can be improved? Maybe the marketing of your drinks is making them look like cheap and poor quality when actually they taste amazing. Consider doing a revision of your photos, branding, and marketing. And if your drinks do suck, well, I've got recipes on my website. Don't try to create your own recipes if you're not already an expert in this. I've got a link in the description that you can click on to get more information. Well, I hope you got value from this video today from my own experience of the top 5 reasons plus 1 that people probably are not buying your bubble tea. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'll see you again soon. Take care.